Sambit, 1 minute. I'm sorry to intervene. No, Sambit, 1 minute. My question is, I think sometimes you need to be firm.
Yes, I have stopped.
I have been the biggest supporter of talks with farmer leaders, but MR, I think today's position of the BJP I don't understand, because I'll tell you why. If you are talking, you talk with a fixed set of people on a fixed set of issues, and you work within a fixed time frame. It can't be no fixed issues, no fixed people, and no fixed time frame. That is how these talks are progressing. You know, it cannot be, it cannot be like a summit level meeting between Fiji and the United States of America. Today, these farmers' unions are behaving like United States of America, and they are treating the government of India like Fiji. And I feel upset because the people of India elected this government. Why is the government accepting these terms, MR? I know for the peace of the capital, because it doesn't want violence, but is this a structure for a talk? MR?
Arnab, by holding these talks, not at the time when there is a congenial atmosphere, rather than a threat of blocking down New Delhi, especially when the Republic Day is just a fortnight away, I think the government of India is signaling that it is willing to buckle under pressure.
Yes.
And this is a language that the government of India, the state, should not actually talk. It should say, yes, we are ready to talk, but talk only when you disperse off from the borders of Delhi. You clean the, you disperse completely, and a representative is there. And as you very rightly said, within 3 days, we will come to a conclusion. And you cannot say a law passed legitimately by the parliament has to be annulled because 20,000 anarchists decide that the law doesn't suit them. What about the farmers in Tamil Nadu? What about the farmers in West Bengal? What about the farmers in Assam?
Yeah.
Are they not farmers? And they have accepted this law because they believe that this law is suitable to them. And they are the people whom the government, who stood by this government, who stand by this government, and the government says, sorry boss, you are secondary citizen. My primary focus will be on that child or that citizen who is protesting, who is asking me something untenable. And as Sambit ji himself says, the menu on the table is not merely repealing the law. It is saying that
that's the point.
Varavara Rao ko chhod do. Tomorrow they will say, no, you should also see that the killers of Sunanda Pushkar must be let off. You must ensure that the killer of, say, SSR, Sushant Singh is let off. This may be God knows what will they bring to the table.